I'm still in my video camera case. I just don't need it as I put my camera just in my bag. So the size of it is it's about 20. Sorry, it's upside down. It's about 25 inches on 19, and the height it's about 9 inches. Now, the way that the case is open, it's they're using a safety lock here. You have to press it first, and you open. 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the way open to the kind of like back middle. Stand on his own. There's a form inside to protect your camera from both sides, and there's a couple of cells here. That's pretty much it.